Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Lucy, and I will be walking you through simple greetings in English. Let's get started.
When you meet someone in the morning, you say, "Good morning." The person responds, "Good morning. Did you sleep well?" You reply, "Yes, I did." "What's for breakfast?" When you meet someone in the afternoon, you say, "Good afternoon." The person responds, "Afternoon. How's your day going?" You reply, "It's going well, thanks."
The person will respond by saying, "Yeah, I'm going to the movies." You reply, "I'm just relaxing at home." When talking about the weather, you say, "Nice weather today, isn't it?" The person responds, "Yeah, it's beautiful." You reply by saying, "Definitely a great day to be outside." When showing interest, you say, "What do you like to do in your free time?" The person responds, "I like reading and hiking." You reply by saying, "That sounds amazing. I've been wanting to try hiking." Or, "It's been tough." You reply, "That's great," or "Sorry to hear that." When someone asks, "How are you?" you respond, "I'm good, thanks. I'm fine, thank you." Or you can say, "Not bad." When meeting someone new, you say, "Hi, I'm Jill." The person will respond by saying, "Hi, Jill, nice to meet you." You reply, "Nice to meet you too." When asking about someone's plans, you say, "Do you have any plans for the weekend?" That's it for today's lesson. Remember, practice makes perfect. With these strategies in mind, you'll improve your English skills in no time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next one.